Here we come to over at Westfield Mall. Let's go around first. Looks like a Montgomery Kone. One. No way, Joros.
It's okay, Michael.
These are Rincho O's Marais by Montgomery Kone.
How many floors are there, Michael?
3. Let's. Oh, 3 works.
I have no idea if it still goes up the third.
Well, shut it. As long as it's not stuck open.
We can only go up to 3 once. Doors open slowly. Door close. There we go. Let's look out the window. Come on. There we go. Phone. Look at this. This is very nice.
It is very nice, Michael. Look how high up we are.
Look up the ceiling. Who you see?
Look down.
Look at that. All right, 2. That's where we start.
Okay. That's the putt-putt area.
We can't get out of here.
Okay.
I don't think now they did. I'm just looking at something.
There we go.
No, it's not okay.
No, those TVs.
Store cat view. Just a basic OS Mars by Montgomery Kone, door fixtures and basement fixtures. I hate when the elevators are slow.
Yeah. Be patient.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good job, Michael.
I don't know why they pressed both buttons. That's kind of weird.
Michael. Yes, it is.
The bell works.
Does the bell work?
Yeah. There goes.